Welcome to another training session. In today's session, we are going to see how we can configure an analog output in the S7-1200 PLC using Kia Portal software. So let's see the hardware configuration. We have a analog I/O module connected in the slot number 2. If we go to its properties, general, and if we go here and see this analog output channels, we have two analog output channels, channel 0 and channel 1. In the channel 0, we have configured it as the current input. By default, it is 0 to 20 milliamps output channel. And we can write the values in the QW96 data register for this analog output channel 0. We'll go to the OB1. In the network number 1, we have to normalize the values for the analog output. Let's suppose we have an analog output between 0 and 100%. So this block will normalize and give us the values between 0.0 and 1.0. Normalize this analog output value between 0 and 100. And this result will be stored in the MD0. In the network number 2, we have to scale this normalized analog output value according to the analog output channel. So we will keep the minimum value as 5536 and the maximum value will be 27648. We kept this 5536 in the minimum because we want to use or configure this analog output as 220 milliamperes. Since our minimum output will be 4 milliamps, so we will keep here 5536. And the maximum will be 20 milliamperes for this channel 0, so we can configure here 27648. After scaling, we can transfer this analog output to QW96, which is the data register for our analog output. Now, as you can see that right now our analog output is 0, meter our current is 4 milliamps, and our output signal is right now 0. Let's increase it to 50. As you can see that right now we are transferring 16592 in the channel number 0, and here you can see that at 50% we are getting 12 milliamps at the meter and our input is 50%. Now let's again change the output to the 100%. As you can see that right now we are getting 20 milliamps or 100% output, and our signal is shown as 100% on the meter. So that's how we can configure analog output channels in the S7-1200 PLC using Kia Portal software. Till next time, take care, goodbye.